This is a 4-minute 59-second infrared clip that was uploaded to a classified network in October of 2020. For most of the recording, there is no observable activity. Early in the footage, a brief area of contrast crosses the sensor field of view, entering near the upper left and moving toward the lower right before disappearing. That transit lasts only a few seconds amid otherwise blank video. On March 6, 2026, 8 members of the United States House of Representatives requested access to 51 potentially UAP-related records said to be held by the Department of War and by elements of the intelligence community. The All-domain Anomaly Resolution Office, referred to here as AARO, identified a collection of materials responsive to that request which were stored on a classified network. AARO notes that many of the materials in the collection lack a substantiated chain of custody. AARO assessed that this clip is likely derived from an infrared sensor aboard a United States military platform operating within the United States Africa Command Area of Responsibility in 2020. According to the office, the file was uploaded to the classified network by a user in October of 2020. The file was later made public on May 22, 2026, as part of a Pursue release. In the visible portion of the clip, the object appears only as a contrast difference against the background thermal scene. It is not accompanied by explanatory overlays or by audio commentary. The sensor image does not show clear shape, propulsion signatures, or persistent features that would allow a confident identification from the clip alone. The limited duration of the observable event, combined with the lack of an established chain of custody for many of the associated materials, reduces the clip's usefulness for definitive technical analysis. Analysts will typically want corroborating data, such as platform logs, sensor metadata, collection geometry, or additional sensor tracks before drawing conclusions about speed, altitude, or origin. No such corroborating records are presented with the clip in the public release. What this recording provides is a concise example of how brief and ambiguous UAP imagery can be when it comes from archive sensor uploads. It demonstrates both the potential value of raw sensor footage and the difficulty of interpreting single-channel infrared clips without context. The fact pattern here is also notable for how records were located on a classified network after a congressional request and for AARO's assessment about provenance and custody. This narration does not attempt to assign a cause or to resolve the phenomenon shown. The clip stands as a short infrared encounter recorded in 2020 within the Africa Command Area of Responsibility and later included among materials identified by AARO in response to oversight inquiries. For more background on this case, related footage, and reporting on similar sightings, visit uapdrop.com to find the case file, related sighting reports, the wider archive, and our weekly UAP News podcast.